Hey guys, Zix here. Time for the next weekly video for BTC Bitcoin analysis. Oh my gosh, panic in the streets, mass hysteria, dogs and cats fighting. Everyone is freaking out today, man. Freaking out, man! I, on the other hand, am A-okay. Although, I will admit, slightly concerning how close we are to this low here at 28,754, which is, this is the Bitcoin USD index. So this isn't on any, this is not an exchange kind of a number here. This is the index for Bitcoin. That's why I like to use this chart for my weekly analysis. So yes, like I've been trying to get us to do for so long, we have finally dumped, right? Oh my goodness. Finally, I have been waiting for us to get down here for a while. Now, admittingly, I thought the bottom was going to be 31. That's close enough. I thought the bottom was going to be about right here. You can't... Whoa. What was that? You can't move it that way. You just do... Yeah, close enough. I thought this was going to be the bottom. And I thought we were going to do sort of kind of range, do a kind of dealio like this and then all the way up there, right? Well, we've broke that line. And we are now dangerously, and why? So the point for this, by the way, there's an OB right here, and that's kind of where that value comes from. Can I draw a box on it? I don't use boxes anymore. Where is it? A rectangle right here, and of course I have magnet mode on. So this was the thought process for, it's not quite on it because I have stinking magnet mode on. Okay, right here. This was the thought process for 3150 or 31,050 right here. Is I thought we were going to bounce off this OB we had here from this mess, and we are already inside of it, and it doesn't really showing any signs of slowing down, is it? We go down to a smaller time frame. That, my friends, is bearish activity. This looks like we're going to take another jump down, and we are approaching the danger zone. Right, this 28,700 level is the danger zone. We don't want to break this level. We break this level, could be bad. Okay, don't want to be bad. But like I've said before, we can do like this kind of thing, right? This is a possibility. But if we start having some daily closes under here, I think time to run for the hills. I'll be considering dumping all of my spot. I have a considerable amount of spot, and I will be considering dumping it. So just keep that in the back of your mind. That if Zix is selling his spot, you may want to consider to sell your spot too. Because I am Mr. Diamond Hand, but I'm not riding this to 13K. Now, let me rephrase. I'm not selling Bitcoin. I don't sell Bitcoin. I don't care what the price goes to. I never sell Bitcoin. I never sell Ethereum, and I never sell Crow, the Crypto.com coin. Crow is probably my higher risk out of those three, obviously. I'm talking about my spot bags and all my shit coins like AMP and Chainlink. Some people wouldn't call that a shitcoin. I do. Solana, all these other little bags that I got. Because if we go to 13,000, which is all the way down here, a lot of coins are going to go to that certain range here. So let's look at ADA. Right now, not a whole lot looks like it's going to stop ADA, because ADA's already broken all of its lows, right? So I don't see why ADA's not going down here to the 40 or whatever. Probably even lower if we're being honest here. Let me do a quick little... Yeah, let's just see where the POC of this bad boy is. It is at 35 or 34, something like that. I wouldn't be surprised to see Cardano go all the way down to 35 or 34. This is all... There's no volume here. So this could it could really get bad. You go below this right here, you're talking possibly zeroing out. And I know that sounds crazy for a coin like Cardano. It's like the ultimate alt stable coin. But that's my fear. Like coins like FTM, for example. FTM could zero out and just be done. There's another coin I've been watching, VVS Finance. Is that on here? VVS USDT. Is this VV? This looks like it. Yeah, this is VVS. This is not a very long chart. I don't get to see the whole. That can't be the only place. I guess. Oh, okay. All right. Whatever. All right. This coin is on the brink of dying completely. I actually have some VVS Finance, and it's at 90% down. That's okay. I was gonna ride it, but now, even selling it now at 90% down, it's like, why bother? I might as well just hold on to it. Maybe it'll come back. Maybe it won't. But at this point, it's not like I'm gonna lose anything more on it. But I've got a lot of other coins that are only like 50 to 60 to 70% down. And those we can go ahead and dump those if Bitcoin breaks this low here. Oh man, look at how close it is to the end of that wick. If Bitcoin breaks this low, I will be strongly considering just dumping all of my spot bags. And so, the Wyckoff theory, right, is to shake out weak hands. But there has to come a point where it's not accumulation anymore. If we get too low out of this, let's go back to the daily. If we get too low back out of this guy here, this is the accumulation I'm referring to. It's from here to now to here. We're already kind of dangerously low for it to be called a spring. We go too much farther. We're no longer in an accumulation. It just became a redistribution or a failed accumulation, in which case this is going to continue down. Now, it's not like it's just going to drop like a rock all the way down to 13K. That's not going to happen. I mean, it could happen, but I'm hoping it doesn't happen. My voice get all cracky. I'm thinking we'll break this, and then we'll come to about 27, 26, and then we'll have a retrace up into this general area. And then we'll continue back down. That is where I'll be looking to sell my spot as it retraces up here. I'm not going to just cross this line and sell everything. I'm going to be looking for a better time, a better entry to sell it, and this is when I'll be looking for. It's not going to continue down forever, guys. It is eventually going to stop, and it's going to hit some sort of accumulation or something, some sort of retrace. Just like when it had this dump here, it retraced here. So it's going to happen. So don't panic. Don't panic yet. Don't go run around in the streets naked yet. But yeah, we're very close. We are very close to panic mode. Like I said, we break this level, which was just 28,700. Did I change charts? Yeah, I'm on the wrong chart. This is my normal chart. Let me go back. Is it here? Yeah, this is the chart that I want to look at. We break this low here. It's danger zone. So keep that in the back of your mind. You may see some links at the top here. FTMO. I am going to be starting. I am going to be doing the FTMO challenge, and I am going to be showing you the history and the track record and how I do on it. And maybe it will convince some of you guys to make some money with me. But either way, my friends, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so very much for watching. And as always, take it easy.